Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we'll be diving into an essential topic that can elevate your trading experience, the MEXC tutorial. If you're new to MEXC or looking to enhance your trading skills, this video is tailor-made for you. MEXC is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of trading options, an intuitive interface, and robust security features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC caters to all levels of expertise. Let's begin with the basics. To start trading on MEXC, the first step is to create your account. Simply visit the MEXC website and click on the Sign Up button. Here, you can enter your email and set a secure password. Now, here's a special tip. When signing up, make sure to use the referral code 12K4M5. By entering this code, you will unlock exclusive benefits that will give you a head start on your trading journey, including reduced trading fees and access to special promotions. Once your account is set up, it's time to explore the MEXC trading platform. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through various features. You can access spot trading, futures, and even staking options right at your fingertips. Next, let's talk about funding your account. You can deposit various cryptocurrencies directly into your MEXC wallet or use your credit debit card for fiat transactions. Always ensure that you verify the deposit method beforehand. As you start trading, take advantage of MEXC's advanced charting tools and market analytics. These resources can help you make informed trading decisions. Remember to conduct thorough research and analysis before entering any trades to mitigate risks. And don't forget, by utilizing our referral code 12K4M5. When you sign up, you not only enhance your trading experience, but also gain access to bonuses that can significantly benefit your trading activities. In conclusion, this MEXC tutorial is your gateway to unlocking an amazing crypto trading experience. Whether you're here for spot trading, futures, or just to explore the crypto world, MEXC has something for everyone. Don't hesitate to use the referral code 12K4M5 to maximize your advantages. Thank you for joining us today on Crypto Horizon. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy trading, and see you next time.